So this is him. Elaney called me down and said, hey, there's something on the feeder. She sent me a picture of this sucker eating my seeds. The seeds are for birds, but of course this guy just came out. They're opportunists, just like everybody else. And sure enough, I shoot him away once, and he's back again. Look at him. This is a squirrel-proof bird feeder, by the way. That's how it was listed on Amazon. I knew that wasn't true, but I figured I would keep the squirrels away for a little bit, but all he needs to do is put his little paw in there and pull out a seed, and he's good to go, because there's corn in there, too. They love that. The corn and the sunflower seeds, look at him go. Well, fella, you're going on YouTube.